WhatsApp has finally started rolling out usernames across selected regions. But what exactly are they? How do you create one? Can people message you using only a username? And what is this mysterious key option? Let's explore everything we know as of today. WhatsApp usernames are a new privacy feature. Instead of always sharing your phone number, you'll be able to identify yourself using a unique username. If the WhatsApp username feature is available for your country or region, you'll see an in-app prompt that lets you set it up right away. If it doesn't appear yet, you can manually check by going to Settings, Account, @Username, where you can choose your unique handle. The @Username option will only be visible when it has been rolled out for your country or region. Type your preferred username. WhatsApp automatically checks if it's available. Once you find one that's available, simply tap Save. You'll also have an option to edit your username later if you want to change it. If your chosen username matches an existing Instagram or Facebook account, WhatsApp may prompt you to connect that account before reserving it. This helps protect verified creators, businesses, and brands. You can connect your Instagram or Facebook account to claim the username, or simply ignore the prompt and choose a different one. WhatsApp also lets you choose who can contact you through your username. You have two options: everyone or only people who know your key. So if you're thinking you'll just type at Mark Zuckerberg, at Kunal Shah, or at Elon Musk and instantly start WhatsApping them, not yet. Even when usernames roll out, there may be privacy settings in place where a username alone isn't enough. You could actually need a key to be able to contact someone. The feature is being rolled out in phases. Users can currently reserve their preferred username directly in WhatsApp, while the full messaging experience will be introduced later this year. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Zoobie Discovery and stay tuned for the new Tech Discoveries series. See you in the next one.